Welcome to this video, how to create bar, line, and area charts using Kibana Lens for time series data. In the previous video, we talked about how to create charts in Kibana Lens by dragging fields into the center area, and then Lens actually being really smart and saying, well, if you want to look at number of records, let me also drag out timestamp so that you can see that as a bar chart over time. Now, customizing this view is really easy. If I wanted a different chart, all I need to do is go up to the chart selector and take a look at what I want. Since we're dealing with time series data, something like a line chart might also be an appropriate choice here. Maybe even something like a stacked area chart. Now, the other thing that is very common in data sets is that you may want to be able to look at this data as it's hacked out by different dimensions. In this case, my data has different geographies where the information is coming from. And so by dragging that dimension, in this case, different country names, into the view, it'll automatically drop it in the breakdown by area and show you, in this case, the top 3 countries that this log data is coming from. I can customize this a little bit. Let's see the top 6. And in that fashion, right, I now have a stacked area chart, and you can actually see the different countries stacking on top of each other, right? In the same way, that's back to line. And then if we went back to where we started with a stacked bar chart, but now that we have the actual geo fields in there, you can see it's the exact same data, but now it's limited to the top 6 countries, and each one of those is designated by a different color stacked on top of each other. In the next video, we're actually going to talk a little bit more about how to filter visualizations in Kibana Lens using both the time picker as well as the query bar up top.